He spent 20 years behind bars acting like a hardened criminal, but the moment the handcuffs went on, his tough guy act instantly vanished. Watch a grown man throw a pathetic temper tantrum, crying about his mama and begging for pity after refusing a simple traffic stop.
I can't walk, I can't breathe, man.
Okay, we're
Y'all gotta let me sit for a second, right?
Okay, you can sit. The ambulance is gonna stop back here.
Y'all know I got panic attacks.
Well known that simple compliance and it would have been done. It would have been a ticket. All it would have been with a ticket done. He amped it. That was all on him, not on us.
Hey, sorry, man. My mama right there, she's 75 years old, man. She gotta go to the doctor's appointments. I'll protect her.
Listen.
Sarge, one second. Just give me 1 second. My mama's 75, man. I gotta go to jail. Listen. I'm gonna take her to the hospital all the time. Her doctor's appointment.
Okay.
She's 75.
Okay.
Y'all know y'all always come to the house for her. She gotta get to her doctor's appointments. Please just give my mama a card where my sister able to
Whose
take
car is
her.
it?
It's my car.
It's your car. Okay.
But she need
That's
to
it?
get back to 4.
Okay. The ambulance is here. We're gonna have one of my officers go with you. If you want to go to the hospital for whatever reason, then it doesn't matter. You're still in custody. Regardless, go to hospital.